everyone. Welcome back to Mastering Cebuano. My name is Simon Dara. In a previous lesson, we learned about actor-focus verbs and the three main prefixes. Now, if you haven't seen this theory lesson, it's best to have a look at it first. In that lesson, we saw three main prefixes that connect to the verbs. This was nag for an action happening now. It was ni or mi for an action already completed. Ni we used in general, and mi is used more in the city of Cebu, so a regional difference. And then we used mo or mak for an action in the future. Mo for a more simple future or for specific directions, something like that. And mak is used more in things like planned things, which take a bit longer. Okay, so we'll do some exercises on these. And we start with exercise 1. It's just identify the time, right? So I will present you a number of sentences which has verbs with prefixes. You just look at the prefix and the verb. You don't need to understand the rest of the sentence even. Just look at the prefix and the verb, and that should give you, is it the present, the past, or the future? So we start with the first one. That's nagtuon ang mga bata. That is the present. Nag is for the present. We have nikaon ko okpan. Nikaon ko okpan is for the past. Ni we use for past. Moato ko sa tindahan. Moato future. And it's a sort of direction, so we use the mo. Nagtrabajo si Juan sa opisina. Nagtrabajo, present, right? Magluto si nanay ok panihapon. Magluto, future. Ni trabajo siya gahapon. Ni trabajo, past. Mosulot ko sa balay. Mosulot, future with mo, because it's a movement verb to enter something. Nakkanta ang babae. Nakkanta, present nak. Nilimpyo ko ang kwarto, sorry. Nilimpyo ko ang kwarto is past. Ni. Magdula sila ok basketball. Magdula, future. It's to play basketball. Okay. We go over to exercise 2. Choose the correct prefix. So you choose between nak, ni, mo, or mak. So we have kaon ko ok pan, karon. So we will always have some time indication in the sentence, right? So eat bread now. I will eat bread now. I am eating bread now. That is nak. I am eating bread now. Nak kaon. Lakaw si Maria gahapon. So gahapon is yesterday. Maria walked yesterday. Nilakaw. Ni for the past. Atoko sa tindahan ugma. Ugma is tomorrow. I will go to the store tomorrow. Mo ato. Movement mo. Tuon ang mga bata karon. Karon now. The children are studying now. Present nag. Nag tuon. Trabajo si Juan ugma. Ugma is tomorrow. So Juan will work tomorrow. Mac trabajo. Trabajo is mostly with mac. You could use mo, but it's more natural for a Cebuano speaking person to say mac trabajo. Canta ang babae ganina. Ganina is earlier. So the woman sang earlier. In the past, ni canta. Limpio ko sa balay karon. So karon now. I am cleaning the house now. Naglimpio. Historia ta unya. Unya later. We will talk later. Mag historia. Ampo sila sa simbahan karon. Karon now. They are praying in the church now. Nak ampo. Nak ampo. Balik ko unya. Unya later. I will return later. Mobalik ko unya. Exercise 3. Fill in the verb and the prefix. I am eating bread. Nagkaon ko og pan. Nagkaon. I am eating. Present continuous. Nagkaon. Maria walked yesterday. Yesterday, kahapon. Nilakaw si Maria kahapon. Nilakaw, yesterday, past. We will swim in the sea. So future, we will swim in the sea. And it's a sort of sport movement. So we have molangoy mi sadagat. Sadagat. So molangoy mi sadagat. The children are studying. So present continuous. Naktuon ang mga bata. Naktuon. Present. Mom will cook dinner. Future. So cook luto. Magluto si nanay og panihapon. Magluto. Juan worked yesterday. Yesterday past. Ni trabajo si Juan gahapon. Past ni trabajo. The dog will drink water. Future. Moinom ang iro uk tubig. Moinom. I cleaned the room earlier. So past, we have ni limpio ko sa kwarto ganina. The friends are talking. So present, we have nag historia ang manak higala. We will talk later unya, future, and some sort of planning. Mag historia ta unya. Okay, exercise number 4. Mo or mag. So mo, simple, mag, more planning, and some specific words. So choose mo or mag. So I will study now. Magtuon ko karon. I will go to the store. Mo adto ko sa tindahan. Movement, adto, go. Mom will cook dinner. So cooking, planning, recipes. Magluto. sinanay ok panihapon, magluto. He will say something to me. He will just say something to me. Nothing complicated. Mosulti sia kanako. Mosulti. We will talk later. We will have a big conversation later. Magistoria ta unya. Magistoria. The dog will drink water. Mo inom ang iro ok tubig. Mo inom. Juan will work tomorrow. Mag trabajo si Juan ugma. Mostly mag with trabajo. He will sit on the bench. Molingkot sia sa bangko. Molingkot. I will clean the room. Maglimpio ko sa cuarto. Takes a bit more planning. It's a bit longer. Maglimpio ko sa cuarto. The baby will cry. This is one of those bodily functions that you cannot really do anything about. Mohilak ang bata. Mohilak ang bata. Now this is theory. It's possible to use different shapes in these things. Nobody will look badly towards you, but these are the most common practices. And now this is just a speaking practice. So just repeat these sentences out loud, just to get used to speaking the language. Nagtuon ko karon. Nagtuon ko karon. Nikaon ko okpan. Nikaon ko okpan. Moato ko sa tindahan. Moato ko sa tindahan. Magluto ko ok panihapon. Magluto ko ok panihapon. Makistorya ta unya. Makistar storya ta unya. Right. Thank you. That's all for this episode on actor focus verbs. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time and keep practicing.